Hey everyone, welcome to Wishing Well BBQ. I'm Dustin Wells, and today I got a $1,000 box of meat and I want to open it with you. You know what time it is, let's do it. If you've been watching my channel recently, you'll know that I've been doing quite a bit of beef recipes using Porter & York's meat. I really love the quality of their meat, and their company is super awesome. They have really great customer service and of course really high quality meats. The most recent purchase that I did entered me into a giveaway, and I actually won the giveaway for a box of $1,000 worth of meat. I'll tell you what, I can't stand it any longer. I'm ready to open this box and see what's inside, so let's do it. Okay, so this is exactly how it comes packaged. It comes in a box, and let's open it up and see what's inside. So as soon as we open the box, you can see that it's wrapped in this cellophane type material. Let's open it up. And you can see that there's all these ice packs surrounding the meat, and this meat is still cold. And when it comes in, they said it's never frozen, so it's always fresh. Oh man, so what's the first thing we pull out is this beautiful prime grade brisket. Just check out all of the marbling in this brisket. I can tell you just by feeling this brisket that it is going to be so awesome. And the marbling looks so good in this. Hey, let's see what else we've got in this box. The next thing that we have is this beautiful tri-tip. Look at the marbling in that tri-tip. You know that's gonna be so tender. Oh man, that is so pretty. I already know that I've got a really good video idea with this tri-tip, so stay tuned for that. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Oh yes, we have got a prime 2.5 pound Pecania steak. And if you checked out my last video, you know that prime Pecania is probably one of my favorite steaks. It is seriously so tender and delicious, and this is going to be so awesome. Oh man, now we're getting to the good stuff. Oh yes. I have here 4 beautiful 16-ounce prime New York strip steaks. Look at this. Check out that marbling. You know that's going to be so good. I definitely can't wait to try these. Oh man, now we've got the creme de la creme of steaks. We have 4 12-ounce boneless Waigu ribeye steaks. I mean, just check out that marbling. I mean, Waigu is notorious for having great marbling, but that is just insane. I am such a sucker for ribeyes, so I know this is just, oh, it's just gonna be so good. You definitely can't go wrong with Waigu, can you? All right, I have one more thing to show you that is definitely gonna top off these 4 Waigu ribeyes. How are you gonna top Waigu ribeye? Let me show you. This is how. Oh man, this beautiful USDA prime 7-bone prime rib. And just look at the insane marbling on that. All tied up nice and neat. And I tell you what, I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this. So you definitely better stay tuned for that. Isn't all of this just absolutely beautiful? I cannot wait to cook some of this. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see me cook first. I want to give a huge shout out to Porter & York. Their meat is amazing. If you have not tried their meats, you have got to click the link in the description below so that you can get some of this. It's never frozen, it's fresh, it's shipped to you, and it's cold. You don't have to worry about anything going wrong. Man, I'll tell you what, I'm so excited. I'm ready to get to cooking. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like what we're doing here on the Wishing Well BBQ channel, make sure you click that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. Make sure you also follow us on all of our other socials, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you so much again for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.